in Wowwy'z Workshop. Brought to you by Two Brothers, One Vision.
Why, hello friends and fam. Wowwy here. Now recently the wife went to Paris to see her favorite rock band. I had to stay home. It's just too much for my back pain and all of that. So I just stayed home with the dog and took care of the fort. But while she was away, the Dremel Makers Studio has a new challenge, and it was to make a light piece utilizing an old mason jar. Well, I thought about my wife and how much I loved her, and I wanted to make a piece that symbolized that. So I got this LED fire bulb, and my whole plan was to make a piece that was like encompassing my love for her. And so I wanted to make like fire in a jar, or the spark of our love. So with pieces that I had kicking around here, 1/2-inch pipe, hardware and whatnot to make a lamp, I started working on it. And I'm going to share it with you. I'm sorry I don't have every step throughout. I gapped out at times and just kept on working. And then I thought, oh man, I didn't take, footage of this or footage of that. So I've compiled as much as I have, and I'm going to share it with you guys now. And I thank you for being here and watching. So may I present my spark. as always, folks, there is no YouTube without you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll close with much gratitude and much love.